Hey, what's up guys, it's Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be super interesting because I have something really nice to show you all. On my desk I have a very small, compact and super portable computer. It's called a mini PC. Yes, this thing is a full-fledged PC that comes in a very small form factor. It's just the size of my palm. But don't be fooled by its size cause this thing is powered by Intel's 8th gen CPU and offers a lot of cool features. So in this video we're gonna unbox it and check out this brand new product. Let's get started. So this mini PC is made by Asus and the model is Asus Mini PC PN60. The product comes in this sort of box packing. We even have a picture of it on the front. Let's see what else is written on the box. At the top you've got the Intel logo. I've already told you right, this mini PC runs on Intel's powerful 8th gen CPU. Going to the back side we've got the details and the specs. Let me show you. The PN60 is powered by Intel's i3-8130U clocked at 3.4 GHz. It comes in a lot of variants. The model I received has a 1TB 7200 RPM hard disk and also supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. There's also a variant that comes with an M.2 SSD. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let's open the box and see what do we have on the inside. Okay, on opening the box we've got the Asus Mini PC at the top. Let me take it out. Whoa guys, this thing is so compact and lightweight. I can't believe this thing is an entire PC. Along with that you've got a lot of accessories which includes a mains card for the adapter, a power adapter for the mini PC, it's a 19V 3.42 amp adapter, a VESA mounting kit. Using this you can mount this mini PC at the back of your monitor. And what's this? Oh, the company also gives you a free mouse in the box. That is very nice. It's an Asus branded wired mouse and the quality looks decent. Along with that, you've got a lot of paperwork which includes a user manual and a quick start guide. Just make sure to read them. And that is not the end of the list guys. We've got something else over here. Let me take it out. Asus also gives you a free keyboard in the box. Now that is what I'm talking about. It's an Asus branded standard full-sized wired keyboard and has a very slim profile. So these are all the items we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product. It comes nicely packed in this cotton bag. Let me take it out. So here it is guys, the PN60 mini PC from Asus. Wow, this thing is very compact. It's got a squarish box-like design and is just the size of my palm. It's also quite lightweight for a PC, weighs only around 700 grams. Okay, let me tell you about the design and the build quality. The Asus Mini PC PN60 has a modern looking sleek design with a box-like shape and it's got this brushed aluminum finish all over the body. It's definitely got the looks of a premium product and easily blends into your home, office or wherever you place it. Talking about the build quality is top notch. It's mostly made of metal with little bits of plastic. So at the top you got an Intel sticker that says it's powered by 8th gen i3. On the front side you've got the Asus logo and some connectivity ports. So at the top right you've got the power button, a HDD LED indicator below that, a USB 2.0 port, a USB 3.1 port, there's also a USB 3.1 Type-C port and a 3.5mm audio jack beside that. And as you can see, this mini PC runs on Windows 10 operating system. That's it on the front. On the left side it's got a big vent to let the heat escape and a Kensington lock beside that. There's nothing on the other side. And going to the back we've got even more connectivity ports which includes a HDMI port, a USB 3.1 Type-C port, an RJ45 Ethernet port, two more USB 3.1 ports, a DC in and finally a display port. I really appreciate the company for offering these many USB ports. These USB ports can be quite useful as I always fall short of them. And this is how the bottom side looks like. Even the bottom part has a lot of vents to keep this mini PC cool. You've got the details of the product here, 4 rubber foot pads on all the corners, and the best part is this mini PC has an upgrade friendly design. By removing the screws, the bottom chassis slides out and lets you upgrade or add your own storage like an M.2 SSD or a 2.5-inch HDD or SSD or even upgrade the memory. It gives you all the flexibility to completely customize your mini PC. So that was our detailed overview on the design and the build quality of the product. Now let me just power it on and show you. As you can see, I've connected this PN60 mini PC to my 4K monitor. And along with that, I've also connected the provided keyboard and mouse that we got in the box. But keep in mind guys, the basic variant of PN60 doesn't come bundled with the keyboard and mouse in the box. If you want the peripherals, you have to buy the optional bundled edition of this mini PC. This thing is a complete package, guys. You get the PC as well as the peripherals in the box. You just need a display to get started. You can connect any sort of display up to 4K resolution. Even your TV screen would be just fine. Yes, you heard me right. Using this mini PC, you can convert your regular TV into a powerful Windows-based PC. Like, how cool is that? And not just one display, guys. The PN60 supports up to 2 independent displays. So you can have a dual display setup with a small PC and work with much more convenience and productivity. The Asus PN60 runs on Windows 10 Home Edition operating system. The UI and the interface feels pretty smooth, the app opening and closing speeds, the transitions, everything look nice and responsive. As I've told you earlier, the PN60 is powered by Intel's 8th Gen i3-8130U CPU, which has a base clock frequency of 2.2 GHz and a max turbo frequency of 3.4 GHz. Talking about the GPU, it's got Intel's UHD graphics 620 and comes with 4 gigs of DDR4 RAM, 1 TB 7200 RPM SATA HDD, and also supports Bluetooth v4.2 as well as dual band Wi-Fi. I have been using this mini PC for a while and can definitely say I had a great experience with it. It was handling all the day-to-day tasks like browsing the web, streaming videos, and all such stuff very well. Over here you can see that the PN60 supports 4K resolution at 60Hz, so you'll have no problems connecting 4K displays. Now let me tell you about the warranty. This is the only mini PC that offers up to 3 years of warranty. Mini PCs from the other brand only offer a max of up to 1 year. So that's a plus point, and also Asus gives you 24/7 product support for their customers. It also comes with a feature known as Asus Business Manager. It's like a one-click solution for business people that combines all the functions like power management, security, backup and recovery tools, and makes the access of these applications much more easier. So talking about the usability, you guys might ask where exactly are these mini PCs used? Mini PCs can be used in a lot of situations and also places like at your office or even at your home. Since they are very small and compact compared to regular desktop, it makes carrying much more easier. You can use it for home entertainment purpose by connecting it to your TV or for video conferencing at your office. And not only that, as it's got quite powerful hardware, it even supports media production applications like photo and video editing. So that was our look at the PN60 mini PC from Asus. It's a really good product. It's very small, compact, portable, and also quite powerful. It offers a lot of connectivity options and even supports 4K displays. Coming to the pricing details, the PN60 costs around 26,000 rupees. Like seriously guys, you're getting a full-fledged powerful PC in such a small and compact form factor for that an affordable price. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So what do you guys think about it? Do let me know in the comment section down below. Well, that was it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.